This ship right here. This is the prize. Why? Because my great-grandfather served on this. So, you know, I gotta be on that War Thunder grind so I can up his KD ratio. Gotta upgrade Gramps' KD ratio. Like, dang, that's a lot of guns, you know? The more guns, the better ship, in my opinion. So we're gonna be grinding. No, it won't just be naval. It will not just be naval. We might play some tanks. But for now, we're just gonna start out with a nice game of naval. As the HMS Verdun, I guess. I just got this. But I'm ready to lock in. Alright, let's go to A. I know this ship is faster. I know this ship is faster. Up. Collision? Collision? Oh, go, go, go. Okay. Don't ever do that again, bud. Oh, that's... I'm so laggy, this is unreal. Watch. First shot's gonna be a hit. That's how good I am at this game. Right there. Right there. Alright, that doesn't matter. This shot's a hit. That is a lot of people going for A. I feel like... I mean, I'm looking on the map here, and maybe it's just because these are the destroyers we spotted, but it's like nobody else is going for B or C. Whoa, these like 12-inch guns are penetrating me right now. I mean, like, shooting me up. There goes my guns. Okay, I'm actually getting destroyed. Seems like right there. Oh. That's just my teammates would be more of a help. Oh, that's why I can't destroy you guys. Battle bridge destroyed. There goes your control. I bet Buddy's probably punching his monitor right now. Back in this game. Oh! I spoke too soon. Oh boy. I feel like that plane has a bomb that has my name on it. I hear Tokyo drifting. Am I done with... Tokyo drifting my boat. That'll be an issue. That smoke screen's annoying. Here we go. Yeah, pull up on me. Oh, that is not water. I could swear that thing is going in there. Watch his boating skills. His Tokyo drift. Oh yeah. Oh no. Hold on. Yep. Is that a rock or is that another ship? That's not a ship. I'm probably fine. Yeah. Oh boy. Hello. No, don't measure range. Shoot at it. My gun's spazzing out. Those are torpedoes. I have those. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, freest kill ever? What is bro thinking? No, you can't back up from that. I'm not gonna let you have control. Yeah. Alright, there goes your other gun. Don't go back, don't go back, don't go back. Shoot. Get out. What the heck is this? What in the traffic jam? You're giving him cover. Get out. Yes. Kill assist. Are you kidding me? Alright. I'm gonna go colonize this guy's ship now. Yeah, you've lost control. Not on your bridge. Oh, he's aiming at me. Such a horrible place for a ship battle. That's just behind. Oh, I think that's perfect. Yeah. We're sniping this guy. Yep. We take those dubs. Talk about Tokyo drifting boats. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, you see that? I'm gonna make a drift compilation. Oh, that's how you use the machine gun. Alright, here's the jump. Go straight to B. Or, well, we're at C. So 3 turrets. 4 turrets. Count the one on top. Are the ops gonna pull up on me? Do you dare contest my hill? I own this place. It's been colonized. Oh yeah, now.
Forces have captured a zone. 4 o'clock.
Wow, just in time. That was lucky.
Okay, damage.
Okay, let's take out this guy first. Oh, looks like that job was already done for me. So now I have to go back across the river. Slow and steady wins the race. But this is really slow. Whoa, boy. Oh, okay. I thought that was me for a second. You're aiming on the wrong guy, bud. Yeah. I'm too good. They can't touch me. I'm like the Master Chief, but with tanks. See if we can draw him over here. Watch this snipe. Yeah. Watch this snipe. Yep. Didn't do anything. Oh, maybe it did. Or maybe that was my team. Either way, we're taking an easy dub. This is way lighter than naval. I see why people like it. Oh, not good, not good, not good, not good, not good. I didn't expect that guy to be alive too. How many of them are alive? What the heck? Oh, I see. That's a lot of them, huh? Alright, there goes your gunner. Goodbye. There goes everything. For you. Just die already, jeez. Yeah, okay. I might have been going up against bots. I realize now that that was probably the most NPC thing I've ever witnessed. But doesn't excuse the fact that I absolutely just cooked up right there. Freedom across this map. Me and that boat looking thing. If I wanted naval to be on the ground, I probably would have just done that. Oh. Oh, drifting. I wonder what the break is. Is it B? No, it's not B. Oh yeah, see, this guy gets it. This guy gets the drift. Can I go through? I wish I could ride this whole line. Oh, that is satisfying. Nice. I don't know if this guy's in my squad, but I've never met him a day in my life. We're pushing. Oh, I'm pushing the wrong way. We're gonna be.
Request air recon.
Or C. Wow. The infrastructure of the city is very weak. And apparently non-existent either. I don't know how I just clipped through those pipes. Is it gonna fall down if I ram it? No, it won't. Just turn around and go with this boat looking thing. Oh boy. Well, hello there. I see a worthy opponent. Unfortunately for you. Worthy is an understatement. Get out of my way! Jeez. It ain't rocket science, team. Alright. Okay. Let's finish up. Unless they got it under control. Yep. It's all fun and games until the M2A4 pulls up. That's when you know stuff's about to get real. We're going for the master flank I see here. They never saw it coming. Alright, well, a bit of an entrance, but here we go. Did we destroy all their tanks? Why is there no any tanks here? This is getting boring.
Aviation on the way.
Aviation. Oh, I bet that's something. Oh, there's one of our planes. Oh, look who it is. Surprise. Soldier driver? Or are you just running away? Oh, I see. Cowardice is the way that we're going, huh? Cowardice. Well, I don't condone that. You either fight me and die, or I die. No running away will be happening. Get that tank. That boat tank. Oh, you can't hit your shots, bud. You can't hit your shots. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I thought. Anyone else want a taste of this? Anyone else? Well, I'd say that was a win. 6? How do the NPCs get higher than me? Oh boy. Is this what... This is good stuff. This is good stuff. Okay, what do we do? Yeah, let's do this. Still a bit new to this game, so if I look lost, I probably am. Okay. Yeah, I used to main this in World of Tanks. Yeah, what's the difference? It's like bigger? Yeah, I guess it's bigger. Alright. I think we'll do this next video, as well as some more naval. Trying to get that Dido unlocked. But for now, thank you guys for watching. I don't know when I'll be posting next, but I'm sure it'll be a fire video. Alright, see you guys.